Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Torrin here with Exquisite Sounds Entertainment, and today I'm here with none other than the man, the myth, the legend himself, everybody.
Better know it. JB the DJ.
He said you better know it. That's right. Hey, so listen, so today we wanted to come to you guys and deliver a couple of quick tips and tricks, if you will, about things that you can do as you're going down this path towards having an amazing day. So we wanted to just give you a couple of quick things that we think are super important. The number one thing that's on my list is probably hiring the right wedding professionals, right? So for us and for me, that means bringing on the right videographer, bringing on the right photographer, bringing on the right planner, obviously bringing on the right DJ. I mean, you can't, you know, but some people hire bands, not mad at you, you know, but regardless, the point is you want to bring on a group of professionals that are going to lead you to having an amazing day, going to work together in a seamless way to deliver ultimately what you want, right?
That's right.
Yeah, so that's our number one thing, right? Our number two thing on this list is going to be what, JB? Lead us into it.
You got to have the right support staff, aka bridesmaids and groomsmen.
That's right.
You got to pick. You got to make sure you pick those. If a situation were to transpire, they don't mind. Yeah, they don't mind jumping into action and helping you out. Whether it be you need that drink real quick and
bustle in your dress.
There you go. You ladies, obviously you do need that dress bustle before we come out for our reception.
Pants
so
and shoes.
yeah, exactly. So you want to make sure you have that right support staff, just in case, as in a case in one of my weddings, you leave your send-off vehicle keys.
That could be bad.
Right, at the hotel room, but one of the groomsmen, he jumped into action, went to the hotel room, got the keys, and we had a great send-off that night. So that's another essential, having the right support staff, aka bridesmaids and groomsmen.
Got it. So then I think the next one for us is going to be to take care of the formalities and take care of the formalities early. A lot of times during the planning process, when I'm meeting with a bride and groom, they'll ask me, hey, how can we get to the dance floor faster? My number one suggestion is, hey, let's get rid of all the formalities first. So that's introduction, dances, cutting the cake. And it's not to rush you through it. It's, you know, it can be done in a way that it doesn't look rushed, but we want to do it where it's staggered. Maybe you do some of that during dinner. Maybe, you know, we do some when we first come in, but getting all that stuff out the way early leads us to having more time on the dance floor. And ultimately, I hate to be the bearer of this news, but when you book the venue, you only book it for a certain amount of time.
Correct.
That's just reality, right? You know, so get rid of those, you know, do those formalities early. And the number one formality I would say, or just thing that brides and grooms have to do, is that thank you to their guests, right? Go ahead and do that during dinner, you know, go around, grab your groom, you know, snatch him away, you know, walk around, you know, thank those people, thank those teachers, parents, co-workers, everything, right? And then that's exactly, and spend that time with you, right? Exactly. And so then that leads us into our last and most important thing for us, right? Which is
the bride and groom. Make sure you guys get out there and have fun.
That's why you hired us, right?
Exactly. That's the most important aspect for me during a wedding day. And I get it, you know, your guests, they want to talk to you, they want to greet you. Everybody want to have that feeling like, you know, like that personal, exactly. But during party time, that is not the time nor place. Party time is for the bride and grooms. There you go, what he just did. Get out on the dance floor, have a good time, brides and grooms. Let your planners, let all of your paid professionals take care of all the ancillary things, but
we can't swag surf if you're talking to everybody.
Exactly.
You know, just can't do it.
Although I can get out there still.
I mean, you could, but there's no point if the bride and groom weren't there.
Right. Anyway, like I said, make sure those brides and grooms, make sure you get out there and have a good time. That's our number one thing we want to tell everybody. Make sure you have a good time. It's your day. It's a very important day.
You got to be present.
Exactly. And when we look at those pictures 20 years from now, you'll be able to say, hey, I was out there on the dance floor with the bride and groom, and we were out here grooving and having a great time. So.
Got it. So man, that's it. Again, we just wanted to drop a couple of tips really quick. But again, if you're looking for any more information or if you're looking to find out more about Exquisite Sounds, we'd love for you to hit us online. You can obviously find us at www.exquisitesoundsent.com. And of course, you can find us at that handle on all things social. Again, I'm Torrin, and this is
JB the DJ.
And man, we appreciate your time, man. Peace.